viewers, welcome back to Sata's blog. So today I'm going to show you guys 5 easy and last time consuming birthday decoration ideas. So number 1 comes this canopy. This is going to be really very fantastic and this was done on my birthday. And all you need to make is 1 bed sheet or 2 bed sheets as per your size, comforter or a small bed, cute vase and clips and cereal lights, small cushions, 2 pillows, balloons, study table or bed table, cakes, cupcakes, party poppers and candles. And you can follow the video. This is how it looks on my birthday. So this was on my birthday. It is very cute. And number 2 comes this. So you can simply decorate this by adding a happy birthday poster at back and decorating with few balloons and taking a table, and you can even add a bedsheet on table and you can stick those balloons on the table and you get a nice look by this cake. And this cake was the main attraction actually. So it's a Barbie cake, as I love Barbie. This is something sweet and simple and it's very less time consuming. So number 3, here we go. Decoration with candles in heart shape. So these are all candles arranged in two big heart, one big heart and a small heart shape inside, and a cake, and it really looked very amazing on my birthday. And I will add you the clip. So it looked like this on my birthday. It was really very fantastic, and it was on my birthday. Yo! And number 3, here we go. String lights. It's very simple actually, because you can just hang those lights in whatever shape you want, and you can just stick those balloons. Actually, it's very easy. So whenever you are in a hurry, you can just do this. And down you can add a table, and this is a lag from IKEA. So I just decorated it by adding few happy birthday caps and a flower pot and a tea light candle holder and the cake. It was really very fantastic, and photos were amazing. And number 5, here we go. So this is a decoration with fossil string curtains and with balloons decorated over, and with a happy birthday poster. And it's very simple and easy, as you can buy it from Amazon, Flipkart, anywhere. And it's budget friendly. And this was on my brother's birthday. Like, share and subscribe to my channel, and even do share this video so that you can let others know about this simple and easy birthday decor. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Meet you in the next video.